Are you considering starting a poultry farm or looking to take your current poultry farming experience to the next level? This CPD-accredited Poultry Farming Diploma from High Skills Training is your complete guide to successful, sustainable poultry farming. Our course is designed for individuals who may be new to the agricultural sector, as well as those who are eager to enhance their existing skills and knowledge. This online course covers everything from poultry nutrition, breeding and disease control to farm setup, housing, and environmental management. You'll also learn key strategies in biosecurity, incubation, animal welfare, and productivity improvement. But that's not all. Our training course will take you beyond the farmyard. You'll gain expert insight into marketing, business planning, financial management, and modern technologies that drive profitability in today's poultry industry. Learn at your own pace with 24/7 expert support, a 14-day money-back guarantee, and a free CPD-accredited certificate upon completion. Fully online and flexible, this course empowers you to farm smarter, safer, and more profitably. Enroll today in this poultry farming course with High Skills Training and take your first step toward poultry farming success.